In this video, we will show you how to use the DJI Motion Controller and enjoy a flight experience unlike anything else. The USB-C port at the bottom of the Motion Controller can be used to charge the device and connect to a computer for firmware updates. The power button is on the right side of the device. Press once to check the battery level. Press once and then hold for 2 seconds to power the device on or off. The accelerator is located on the outward-facing side of the device. Press the accelerator to move the aircraft forward. Apply more pressure to fly faster. Release the accelerator to stop flying forward. On the user-facing side of the device, you'll find the lock button, brake button, and the mode button. Use the lock button to make the aircraft take off or land. Use the brake button to activate the emergency brake and hover feature, or to make the aircraft return to the home point. Press the mode button once to switch between modes. On the left side of the device, you'll find the gimbal tilt slider and the shutter record button. Adjust the gimbal tilt slider to control gimbal tilt. Press the shutter record button once to take a photo or to start or stop recording a video. Press and hold the shutter record button to switch between photo and video mode. Press and hold the power button of the aircraft until the battery level indicators blink in sequence. Press and hold the power button of the motion controller until it beeps continually and the battery level indicators blink in sequence. The motion controller stops beeping when linking is successful, and both the battery level indicators turn solid and display the battery level. Connect the USB-C port of the goggles to your mobile device. Open the DJI Fly app and follow the prompts to activate. If the motion controller is not using the latest version, there will be a prompt on the top left corner of the DJI Fly homepage for a firmware update. Tap the prompt to update to the latest firmware. Before you fly, be sure to place the aircraft in an open, unobstructed location. Check the goggles interface to make sure there are no warning prompts and that GPS signal is adequate. Press the lock button twice to start the aircraft motors. Press the lock button and hold, and the aircraft will take off automatically and hover approximately 1 meter above the ground. Press the accelerator to control the drone to fly towards the circle seen on the goggles interface. Tilt the device up or down, and the circle in the center of the goggles screen will move up or down accordingly. Press the accelerator and the drone will fly towards the location indicated by the circle. To ascend or descend vertically, control the circle on the screen to move up or down until it changes color. Once circle color has changed, press the accelerator and the drone will fly up or down vertically. If you want to make a turn, rotate your wrist and forearm to move the circle on the screen to the left or right. The drone will rotate in the same direction as the motion controller does. You can also hold the motion controller and tilt your forearm to the left or right to make a turn. Press the accelerator and the drone will fly towards the circle. Tilt the device while pressing and the drone will make a turn. To make a quick turn, turn the motion controller quickly 180 degrees, and the drone will do the same. Press and hold the brake button on the device. The drone will automatically enter Smart RTH. When the drone is returning to the home point, please pay attention to any real-time changes of the home point location. Make sure your surroundings are safe for landing in advance. Due to the limited precision of GPS positioning, there may be a slight difference between the home point and actual landing location.